Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. These are general messages from your person. These are for those who are looking for answers, who don't know what's going on, and you really want a sneak peek into your person's mind, and you want to understand where is everything going. If you are not in touch, then it will give you, an answer to what is going on at their end. And if you had a fight, if you are, at a breakup, and you're not in touch at all, then also, even if it's been a while, but if you're still thinking about them, that is what matters, right? So let's see what are the energies. All right, very nice. So let me take more cards. Bottom of the deck, the Magician. So Aries, for those of you who are away from the person, not talking, completely out of touch, they are actually wanting you to be their partner. They are wanting to come towards you. They are thinking of offering you a forever, but right now they are in a page energy wherein they are thinking more about their money, wherein they are thinking more about, maybe could be for some of you there are options in their life, but yes, they do have you in their mind, and they do feel that you are actually the best person, best thing happened to them, forever. And wherein your energy is of, I think you've stopped trusting them, you have stopped believing in the relationship, because I think you probably gave too much for good. So Magician, definitely they will come towards you, but I would want to clarify more. Let's see. Let me see whether they'll communicate with you in the near future or no. See, I shuffled and Magician came again. So King of Wands, they are very, very, they will communicate, and they will passionately come towards you. They really want to put in hard work. That is the, like I said, this is what their energy is. Let me clarify, what are they doubtful about? Okay. So they are doubtful, for some of you, it's not a third party, but it's what happened between you two. The tower moment that happened between you two is they see you as the Queen of Swords, and they are here as the King of Cups, which means that they feel that if they come towards you with an offer, you might reject them because of what they have done in the past, or maybe they have not been the best, in the past. So that is why they are hesitant right now. Let's see what all they want to say. If they come, what will they say? If they come, what will they say? So they will definitely apologize. They have done a lot of hard work. Inward work. They have done a lot of work, on themselves, and they really are emotional about you. They really want to put their best foot forward, and they really want to be your equal, in the energy. They really would want to say that, okay, this time there'll be an equal give and take. I know what I have done. I know I really, really regret hurting you. This is their energy. All right. So let's take out the card. What do you feel about them? Right. See, you felt that they were just having a good time with you. They were just breadcrumbing you. For some of you, they were probably cheating on you. They were not very honest with you, forthcoming with you. They were not, like, right now they are in a King of Cups energy, but earlier they weren't. So this is your impression of them right now. Though you do miss them, though you do want to contact with them, but you have your doubts. That is what it is. So what's the future of this? What is the future of this connection? I'll take out one card, alright? One card, it's a yes or it's a no. So for some of you, you have moved on for good. For some of you, I think you are very happy where you are right now. You feel that you've finally overcome this, and I don't think you want to go back. Is the message. So stay tuned for more on your love life, and we'll meet soon.